Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the display. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on the night light, and let's tap on this first switcher to apply it, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. You can change the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. Here you can also reduce the white point, so basically it looks like you're reducing the kind of the contrast, but not really the brightness, something like that. You can also turn this option automatically. Just tap on this option, tap on the switcher, and you can either turn it on at custom time, so you can choose the start and the end time, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's totally up to you. So this is the whole customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here we have to find this icon connected with a night light. It is not here, at least I cannot see it, but that's okay. All we have to do is to tap on this edit icon, scroll down and find the night light, which is right here. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first position it wherever you want to. Now we can go back, and after checking the icons again, we can see the night light. So let's simply tap on it again to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.